Good morning, dear students. In the previous lecture, we have discussed about what is business and what is business environment. We have discussed about the factors which are affecting the business environment. We have already discussed about the micro environment and the macro business environment. As I already told, in the next lecture, the we'll discuss about the economic environment, technological environment, social environment, political environment, and other factors. So this economic environment, political environment, technological environment, legal environment, socio-cultural environment, these all are the part of macro business environment. Or we can say that these all are the part of um, factor affecting the business environment. So what are these factors? The first of all are the economic factor. We'll discuss about the economic factor. इकोनॉमिक फैक्टर में हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे कि इकोनॉमिकली कैसे किसी बिजनेस को इफेक्ट होता है. उसके बाद हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे सोशल फैक्टर्स. सोसाइटी का क्या इम्पैक्ट आता है किसी बिजनेस पे, हाउ सोशल फैक्टर्स आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट. आफ्टर दैट विल डिस्कस अबाउट द पॉलिटिकल फैक्टर्स. पॉलिटिकल इश्यूज की वजह से, पॉलिटिकल इनस्टेबिलिटी की वजह से, गवर्नमेंट के चेंज होने की वजह से, गवर्नमेंट के डिसीजंस की वजह से क्या क्या इम्पैक्ट आता है. जैसे हमने बात करा था कि डिमोनेटाइजेशन हुआ, जीएसटी लागू हुआ, इसका बिजनेस के ऊपर क्या इम्पैक्ट आएगा. आफ्टर दैट विल डिस्कस अबाउट द टेक्नोलॉजिकल फैक्टर. इट मीन्स टेक्नोलॉजिकल चेंजेस होने की वजह से, टेक्नोलॉजी में चेंजेस होने की वजह से, जैसा मान लो कि अभी कीपैड फ़ोन की जगह स्मार्टफोन आ गया, ठीक है, उसमें चेंज होने की जगह से ट्रेडिशनल मेथड की जगह ऑनलाइन मेथड ऑफ टीचिंग अडॉप्ट किया गया ड्यू टू द कोविड. तो इसकी वजह से क्या चेंजेस देखने को मिल रहे हैं, तो इसको हम बोलेंगे टेक्नोलॉजिकल फैक्टर्स. नाउ विल डिस्कस अबाउट द डेमोग्राफिक फैक्टर्स. डेमोग्राफिक फैक्टर्स में हम बात करेंगे कि डेमोग्राफिक चेंजेस होने की वजह से, ठीक है. डेमोग्राफिक चेंजेस का मतलब क्या है कि पॉपुलेशन में चेंजेस होने से, जेंडर्स में चेंजेस होने से, रिलीजन्स में चेंजेस होने की वजह से क्या चेंजेस देखने को मिल रहे हैं, उसे हम डेमोग्राफिक फैक्टर्स बोलते हैं, ठीक है. उसके बाद हम बात करेंगे लीगल फैक्टर्स. इट मीन रूल्स और रेगुलेशन चेंज होने की वजह से, जैसे पॉलीथीन बैन हो गया, कंजम्पशन ऑफ अल्कोहलिक मटेरियल पे बैन हो गए. इसकी वजह से क्या क्या इम्पैक्ट आएंगे बिजनेस के ऊपर, हम इसके बारे में बात करेंगे, लीगल फैक्टर्स. सो इन सारी चीज़ों को मिला करके बनता है बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट, जो कि हम बात करते हैं मैक्रो बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट का पार्ट होता है. ओके, सो वन बाय वन विल डिस्कस अबाउट ऑल दिस फैक्टर्स. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल विल डिस्कस अबाउट द इकोनॉमिक फैक्टर्स. फैक्टर्स की अगर हम बात करें, वी कंसिडर द इकोनॉमिक एनवायरनमेंट आल्सो. हाउ द इकोनॉमिक एनवायरनमेंट अफेक्ट द बिजनेस, दैट्स इज नोन एज द इकोनॉमिक एनवायरनमेंट. सपोज जैसे कि मैंने बोला कि इट कम्स अंडर द मैक्रो एनवायरनमेंट एज वेल एज इकोनॉमिक एनवायरनमेंट. मीन्स वी कैन से दैट इट इज द इकोनॉमिक सिस्टम इन विच बिजनेस ऑपरेट्स. So the economic conditions as well as the economic policies, this all comes under the economic system. As we all know that the present day economic environment of a business is very complex one, and the business sector of economic relation, business sectors has the economic relation with the government as well as the capital market as well as the household sectors and global sectors. So these sectors together influence the trend and the structure of the economy. The form and functioning of the economy are very widely described, as well as the design and structure of any economic system is conditioned by their socio-political arrangements. So, the main external economic environment of the business are the economic condition of that country, as well as the economic policies of that country. Economic policies, we can say that the government decide the economic policies of business through the various methods. It may be the budget. बजट भी हमारी इकोनॉमिक पॉलिसी का पार्ट होता है. इंडस्ट्रियल रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस. इकोनॉमिक प्लानिंग इज आल्सो द पार्ट ऑफ इकोनॉमिक पॉलिसी as well as import and export. After that, we'll discuss about the business law, industrial policies, as well as control and prices of wages, trade and transport, size of the national income, as well as we consider the demand and supply of the various goods. It comes under the economic policies. Now we will discuss about the economic system. Basically, economic system operating in the country is also affect the business enterprises to a very great extent. The economic system of a country may be capitalist economy, it may be the socialist economy, it may be the communist economy, or it may be mixed of both capitalist and socialist economy. The capitalist system, as we all know, that it is free play of the market mechanism. Trade takes place in this economic system, whereas state-controlled economies, as well as there are the restrictions on the private sector's roles, are comes under the socialist economy. With the collapse of the communist Soviet Union, multinational corporations are searching their market in the East European countries. So these all are about the economic system of any country. So these all are about the economic environment of a business. Now after the economic factors, we will discuss about the social factors or the social environment. Social environment, I already told that business is an integral part of the society and both influence each other. Business as well as the society both influence each other. And it is one of the important non-economic external component of the business environment. Sometimes it also called as the socio-cultural environment. And the socio-cultural environment refers to the influence exercised by certain social or the cultural factors which are beyond the control of the business units. Such factors include attitude of the people, family system, caste, religion, education, that is the literacy rate, as well as change in the family composition, education, after that marriages, and habits of the consumer, that is the consumption pattern, as well as preferences, that is the choice, as well as language, urbanization and rural areas, custom and tradition of the people, as well as value systems, business ethics, social trends, social responsibility of the business, etc. These all are comes under the socio-cultural environment of a economy. We all know that due to the literacy rate, the consumers are becoming the more conscious about the quality of product, and it affects the business. If consumers are more conscious about the quality of product, it affects the business. And due to the change in the family consumptions, there are the more nuclear family with a single child have come up, and it increased the consumption pattern, as well as dressing style, living styles, belief system, culture, traditions, rituals. These all are comes under the social environment. So the social environment of business include the social factors like custom, tradition, values, beliefs, poverty, literacy, life expectancy rate, etc. So the social culture and the values that a society cherishes have a considered influence on the functioning of the business firm. So these, for example, during the festive seasons, due to the rituals and beliefs, people demand for the new clothes and the sweets. Suppose we take the example of Diwali. In Diwali festivals, the demand of the goods changes due to the beliefs and systems of the Hindus, and people used to take demand for the new clothes and the sweets. So this also affect the business of cloth and the sweet industries. Okay, so this is all about the social environment. Now the political or the government environment. The political environment is also can be also called as the government environment. So the political environment refers to the influence executed by the three political institutions, that is the legislation, executive and judiciary. So it will be in very details. So I want to cut short it. So suppose we talk about the political and the legal environment of the business. The political and legal environment of business include the political system, government policies and government attitude towards the business community and the unionism. So the political environment depends upon the legal rules of the game of business in as well as its formulation and implementation, its efficiency and effectiveness, as well as all these aspects are bearing on the strategies adopted by the business firm. So the stability of the government is also influence the business. Suppose that if any business and if any government is not stable, So due to the instability of that government, business may also influence. So that's why political environment is also one of the important factor. If there is the strong as well as the stable government in any economy, then it will support the businessman as well as the economy as well as the economic system both. So political environment impacts the factors like civil war, declaration of the president rule and emergency, change in the form of structure of government administration. So defense and military policy impacts also the defense policy of industrial enterprises, as well as the flexibility and adaptability of the law, constitutions and amendments in the law. These all are also affects the business. That's why political environment is one of the important factors also for the any business enterprises. Now the legal environment. Legal environment related to the law, rules and regulation. It refers to the set of law, rules, regulations which influence the business organization and their operations. As each and every business organization has to obey and to work within the framework of the law which has been framed by the government. The impact legislation that concern the business enterprise include the Companies Act 1956. It is related to the company's formation and dissolution of the companies. FEMA, that is the Foreign Exchange Management Act. Factory Act, it is framed to regulate the factory. Now the Industrial Disputes Act. Industrial Disputes Act is related to the rules and regulation of industries and related to the labor law. Whereas legal environment like payment of the gratuity, Industrial Development Regulation Act, prevention of adulteration, essential commodities, standard of weight and measures, legal environment, trademark acts, Bureau of Indian Standard Act 1986, Consumer Protection Act 1986, Environmental Protection Act, Companies Act, etc. So these all are about the rules and regulation of the legal environment. Now we'll discuss about the technological environment. Technological environment includes the methods, techniques and approaches adopted for the production of goods and services and for its distribution. Like I already told, in order to survive in the today's competitive world, the business has to adopt the technological changes and they have to modify their changes from time to time, and they have to adopt a new innovative ideas, as well as the constant innovation is essential because for the purpose of every business is to create a customer, and therefore every business enterprise has the two basic functions, that is the marketing function and innovation function. Along with the marketing functions, business have to also focus on the innovations because technological environment are changing very fast. It's a very dynamic in nature, and it's create a problem for the enterprises if they use the old technology and if they use the old plant and machinery, and produce the obsolete quality of the product. So that's why it is necessary to change the technology. It is necessary to adopt the innovation, as well as firm which is unable to cope up with this technological change, he may not survive in the market. That's why adaptation of technology is one of the important factor for the any business. Now the next factor is the demographic factors, that is the demographic environment. And the demographic environment refers to the size, growth rate, age of the population, or composition of the population, sex composition of the population, etc. The demographic factors is basically related to the family size, economic stratification of the population, educational level. It related to the caste and religions also. So all the demographic factors are relevant to the business. These factors affect the demand for the goods and services. Market with the growing population and income are the one of the important factors for the growth of the market, because a rapidly increasing population indicates the growing demand for the many products. That's why understanding the demographic factor is also one of the important factors for the business. Now in the next lecture, I will come with the new factors. So please keep watching, like and subscribe. Thank you so much.